A very good morning to our resource person for the day, Mr. Chetan, our head of the department, School of Management Studies, Dr. A. Sandhya Rani, our associate head, Dr. M.V.S. Sudhakar, my coordinators, and all the dear participants. I welcome you all for the final day of 1 week faculty development program on digital marketing. Let me introduce the speaker for the session to all the participants. I'm very glad to introduce Mr. Sai Chetan. He is an alumni of School of Management Studies, Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology, and he pursued his engineering with CSE as a specialization from JNIT. He loves to travel, and he feels that this helps him in understanding the market dynamics at different places. He is a self-taught ethical hacker, and he has a huge network on LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, and other social media platforms for the work he does. Being a computer science engineer and possessing managerial skills helped him to do his work with fun that he actually thought of. His goal is to utilize the time to upgrade his skill set and expand his network, as is a strong believer of the saying, network is net worth. We are very glad to have you here, Mr. Chetan. With this note, I hand over the session to Mr. Chetan.
So first of all, thanks Soumya ma'am for introducing me. And
it's
hello.
Our pleasure.
Yeah. Hello, all. Very good morning and welcome to my session. Today we will discuss about affiliate marketing. Let's hope you all are safe at this pandemic. And thanks for giving this opportunity for the Srinidhi Institute of Technology, SMS Management. Especially I need to thank for Sandhya Rani ma'am, Soumya ma'am, and Vishwanath sir, and Sunil sir, and Harinath sir. And also I need to thank the Dr. Ahmed sir, which gives a fantastic session on the digital marketing in this week. So let's enter into the affiliate marketing session. So let us discuss. Let us discuss what we are going to cover today. Introduction of affiliate marketing, introduction to affiliate marketing, and what are the types in affiliate marketing, and what is the business process in the affiliate marketing, and also what merits we get if you do the affiliate marketing. And I will guide you the process how to create affiliate marketing, and strategies, and also I will give the examples for that. So before we enter into the topic, we have a small task, like only a 2-minute task we will do. See, friends, let us assume we are buying a shoes online on Amazon website right now. So we are searching for a coupon for buying a shoes on Amazon. So how you people search? I mean, how you will search on the Amazon? So if you have any other mobile, secondary mobile, or else if you are using a laptop, just open another tab and just search for a coupon code for shoes on Amazon. Let me know once you once you did.
Participants, you can make use of the chat box.
Let me know once you search for a coupon on the Google. Good, not an Amazon. We need a coupon, right? So we are searching for a coupon on a Google. Like we need a coupon for shoes when we shop at Amazon. So we will search for a coupon on Google. Where other let us take an example like Coupon Dunia, which gives a coupon for us, which helps give the discount for us.
Chetan sir, actually participants are asking you to repeat the question once again if you can.
Cool. Okay, no problem. So let us assume we are planning for buying a shoes on Amazon and we are searching for a coupon. on Google. So what is the process you will do for getting a discount or a coupon? Okay, let me share them. Let me show you what is the process comes over here. So let me open the Google. Coupon. I think you can see my screen, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Coupon code for shoes on Amazon. This is a process which we set actually. So we will get the searches. This like first one is advertisement. Second one is also it goes to the Amazon, which we not require. Like we need the coupon codes. So third party site will give for us, not the Amazon. So here couponsguru.com is the site. So it is telling that footwear coupons up to 70% off on promo codes. Let's open the tab. So this is the process how we search for a coupon code on online. See, it was showing that big branded up to 70% off on Crocs, Skechers, Adidas, Reebok, and more. So what we will do, we will just click on that, get this deal. Once we get this deal, the page which we redirect to the Amazon page. So this is called as landing page. This is called as landing page. So, and the link which is redirected from Coupons Guru to this landing page is called affiliate link. This is called affiliate link, and this is called as landing page. Simple friends, this is called as affiliate marketing. You know, have you ever think that why the coupon, some other third party sites, not only this Coupons Guru, Coupon Dunia, some other sites, why they will give coupon for you, why they will give discount for you? Here is a process of Coupons Guru. They will earn money from advertisement and also affiliate marketing. By doing the affiliate marketing, they will get the commission. See, here Coupon Guru is a mediator between the Amazon site and the customer. Coupons Guru acts as medium between the company and the customer. This is called affiliate marketing. So I just want to share my affiliate journey with you people. I just want to share my affiliate journey. Like, you know, in the year of 2015, I have registered as Amazon associate. I have created Amazon affiliate marketing account in the year of 2015. I have, by helping with the blogger.com. It's very easy. You can create right now, after the vision, just create a blogger.com, create a website. So it helps you to build a website in the further days. You can do trial on blogger.com. It is very free. It is free actually. So you can create have created the blogger.blog and have registered as Amazon associate in the year of 2016, where I felt that Facebook is doing good at that time. You know, there are so many users in the Facebook. So many people are using Facebook at that time. So I have planned to create a group on Facebook and have built my network. You know how I build my network? You know, like adding my friends and families and friends of friends only at that time in the year of 2016. And there is very limited access for the internet at that time. You know, it charges very much high. In the year of 2016 to 2017, Jio has came at that time, and Jio has totally changed the market. Like, you know, day by day, internet users are increasing, and for all the people, most of the people have 4G phones, and all the people have started using internet. Obviously, if they started using internet, they use the social networks or YouTube or some other social networks. So I have planned by using, at that time, I got the best traffic at that time. 2000 to 2016, I have got the best network in the Facebook group, I mean subscribers. I started getting payment of minimum 500 rupees per day in the year of 2017. After the 2017, it works well for me. You know, like getting a traffic, a huge traffic from the Facebook and getting a payment, which encourages me to build in my network from different strategies. You know, not only Facebook group, I have created one other website in the year of 2017. I have created a website and some other social networks by using some different sources. I have started building my network. So slowly starting day by day, internet users are increasing. Parallelly, all the people have started using the e-commerce websites for purchasing the goods, purchasing the products. So in the year of 2070, I have achieved a community of 70,000 plus within a short period of time and earning a good amount. You know, in the year of 2017 to 2019, it plays an important role for me. The year which I get the best network and the best traffic, like, you know, active people till the 2019. And coming to the 2020, as all you people know, Corona has affected for all the industries. Even I can say affiliate marketing also affected for 2 months. I can say only for the 2 months, friends, because only for the 2 months, because you know, due to the lockdown, Amazon, all the e-commerce websites stopped their selling the products and no delivery. So that is the reason. If the product gets delivered, I will get the commission. So I 2 months affected for me. After 2 months, once the lockdown was lifted, the traffic which I get is unbelievable. See, friends, it's very easy, right? When you go to online, sorry, when you go to online to purchase products, rather than when compared to going offline during this pandemic. It's very easy, right? So all the people started shopping from online. Even Corona kids, I mean COVID kids, sorry, COVID kids also getting a huge traffic. I mean, so many people are buying COVID kits from the online. See, friends, this is what I need to share my affiliate journey. And next, what is affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? As I already told, affiliate marketing, affiliate marketer acts as medium between the company and the customers. See, friends, when I suggest a product to the customer, or else when I give you a coupon code for the customer, once he purchases the product, I will get the commission. The transaction was recorded to the Amazon, and if it is a valid sale, I will get a commission. This process is called affiliate marketing, where you suggest the products to the customer to buy. And how to earn from affiliate marketing? How to earn from affiliate marketing? There are 3 types of where we can do affiliate marketing. Pay per sale. Pay per sale is, friends, like, you know, we have just I have shown the task, right? See, once I purchase the slippers, I mean I purchase the sliders. This is called the pay per sale. The sale which is going on. This is all called the pay per sale. Once the product is successfully, delivered, it is called the pay per sale. Pay per lead. Pay per lead is nothing but, see, friends, you have already seen that there are so many sign up forms, or else I can also say, as all people know, that Prime paid membership, Prime membership, Amazon Prime membership. See, if I do promote of Amazon Prime, and once the once the customer subscribe for the Amazon Prime by signing up, this is called a pay per lead. It can also be register forms, it can also be referrals, it can also be some other types. It is called a pay per lead. And coming to pay per click. Pay per click, which not comes from the Amazon affiliate, but also some other. It depends on how you deal with the publisher or else the company. So let us assume that I have one of the customer had a photography website. One of the customer had the photography website. So he needs only the clicks. He needs only the traffic from a particular region. So he tells to me, please do promote my website. I will give X amount if I get 10,000 hits, 10,000 traffic. This is called pay per click. when I get successfully getting the traffic for the X website, this is called the pay-per-click. It depends on how you deal with the publisher or else a website, which you give the commission. And why? Why should we do affiliate marketing? I mean, why should we get into the affiliate marketing? See, friend, a passive income. You know, right now I am doing a job, full-time job in one of the IT companies. Parallelly, I am doing affiliate marketing in my free hours. The income which I get in affiliate marketing is higher than the full-time. It's into 2 times, I can say. Into 2 times, I will get in the affiliate marketing. There is no limited in the income, for the income in the affiliate marketing. You can get unlimited and convenient and flexible. See, after working hours, like let us say, my office is like 9:30 to 6:30. After 6:30, like 7:30 to 8 or 7:30 to 8:30, I will spend that time. Like I will search for the coupon codes. I will search for, you know, what are the offers running going on, or else what is there any sale within next week. See, there is a sale in next week, Prime Day sale, if I'm not wrong, 6 to 8 of August. See, if there is any sale, I will get ready with the content, what to post, and I will get a, you know, I will get Excel sheet from Amazon. What are the prices we are going to reveal? They will send Excel sheet for me before 10 days. So I will prepare with that. It is very convenient for me, like, you know, spending 30 minutes or 1 hour of day. Performance-based rewards. See, friends, in affiliate marketing, you get rewarded or else you get the commission. It's all depend on your network, how you grow your network, and also how much the good you are suggesting the product, the content, the product which you are suggesting, is it worthwhile or not? Is the product they're buying is a good discount or not? See, friends, like when you are buying a product, if we save, like, you know, 1,000 rupees also, like, you know, if we purchasing a laptop, at i3 generation laptop, 25,000. If we save 3,000 or 2,000, it will be very nice, right? It feels very good, right? When we you know, when we save from buying. So it is all called as performance-based reward. See, when our customer feels that the product is worthy, I mean, i3 generation laptop at 25,000, right now we can't get. See, there is huge demand for the laptops. Right now we can't get i3 generation laptop at 25,000 to 26,000. But if I say 25,000, for 35,000 you are getting i3 generation laptop, compulsory customer will buy the product if he know about the, you know, what is the processor, what is running going on. This is called the performance-based reward. When the customer is satisfied, he will tell to all the other people also, his family friends also. He will refer for all others also, like so and so website. Like, you know, I am the owner of Elite Deals. I have the Elite Deals group. So and so people will refer all the people. I mean, his friends and family people also. Like so and so website is doing such a good in giving a promotion at the sale time, giving the coupon codes and all such things. And secret, have you ever think that, like, you know, what are the top searching keywords on Amazon? Please share me the conversation. What are the like, you know, of course, rather than COVID kits, what are the top searching keywords? I mean, what are the people mainly buy from the Amazon? Let me know in the conversation section. Yeah, good. Mobile phones. Yeah, good. Laptops. Yeah, good. Oh, cool. Fantastic. So let me share what are the top searching keywords. Friends, I have 70,000 plus subscribers, and only 20% of people have the limited access to direct contact. Every week, I will get the queries for the session. Top searching keywords. Top searching keywords for every sale. So see, friends, if you are starting with Amazon affiliate networking, and if your objective is, you know, on e-commerce websites, you need to get ready with this one. because like I'm already right now best mobiles under 10,000. These are the most queries which are asked for me. See friends, it's all about affiliate marketing is all about suggesting a good product and helping the customers to save. Just simple, helping the customers to save from buying. I mean, to save some amount of money. And this is called affiliate marketing, suggesting a good product. These are the top section queries which are every week I will get at least 20 queries from this one. At least 20 queries from this query. So before before entering into the entering in the process, business process, let's discuss about types of affiliate marketing. What are the types of affiliate marketing? There are so many types. Let's discuss these types of affiliate marketing. Incentive programs. Incentive programs is nothing but it's not about sale only. So and so company will get to you and say get some registrations from your side. Who will give some goodies, maybe in non-monetary terms also, non-monetary. This is called the incentive programs. Last year, there is an incentive program was run on Intenshala. Let me share with you. See, I have done the registration in successful registration, which was going on Intenshala. So I got in top 3 refill contest. I got the first prize. What JBL headphones. This is called the incentive program. Not only this, there are so many things in different ways. Getting a registration from the customers or signing up forms like this, incentive programs. And coming to the SEO, search engine optimization. See friends, like we have searched for the coupon codes on the Amazon right now. So after searching coupon code for shoes on Amazon, we getting the links over here. The start page is Coupons Guru. See, it has such a search engine optimization and top keywords, the best keywords. So that is the reason this website ranking first. I mean, ranking in the first page. It's all about SEO, friends. See, if you are good at SEO, you can market in the USA, not only USA, all over world. If you are good at SEO, we can do affiliate marketing not only in Amazon India. We can also do in Amazon.com, US, United States, and also in UK. And it's all you can get the market from the SEO, because we may not have don't have the friends and family members or the network from US, right? So we can use SEO for ranking keywords. And coming to the email. See friends, we all get the emails, like, there is a separate tab in the Gmail, you can see over there, promotions. It's called promotions. There, you can see all the, all the emails we're getting over there. It's like, we can also say newsletters, like from HDFC, from banks, we may get like, subscribe to these loans. This is called the email marketing. We can see, yesterday only I got one email. This is called the email marketing official network. See, I got from XCRVE, Zerv. He's doing affiliate marketing at Flipkart. He is saying that Flipkart laptop bonanza 21st to 24th July. See friends, this is called affiliate marketing in the brand email marketing. You can also say it's newsletters like that. But it doesn't work on Amazon Associates. And it has very less chances for successful rate is very low in the email marketing. And coming to SEO, it has good, very good successful ratio if you have the top searching keywords. And coming to display ads. Display ads is nothing but when we searching for coupon for a website, or else when we were watching on a YouTube or else some other website, we are browsing something. Right side, we will get to know that there is an advertisement. Let's see. Let's show my website. See, this is my website actually. Elite Deals. I'm the owner of the Elite Deals. I will promote all the products to this website. See friends, my marketing objective is mostly on like electronics and all the e-commerce websites, all the e-commerce websites. But here we can see this is called the display ad. It is not related to the my website. This is called the display ad. But even though I can earn money, even though I can earn money, my main objective of website is e-commerce. But see here, Zomato, Big Bazaar, Freecharge, KKday, McDonald's. See, these are all the display ads we can see in all the websites. And all the websites display ad is common. And blog is nothing but it's showing the brand value. Like it's a good one where you can blog is necessary. Actually, if you need to register on Amazon or site, blog and social networks and review is nothing but YouTube videos. Let us discuss. So blog, you can create a blog. You can write a brand value, brand, some other things to affiliate marketing. And the content, if you if you feel this pen is good, you can write a content. You can give a hyperlink. If you are good at stories, you can write a story, and you can also include what what is the process. Like if necessary, if I am writing a story on my traveling, I have used the so and so tripod. We can do affiliate marketing by giving a hyperlink. Review is nothing but YouTube videos, friends. See, you can watch many videos. I think you have watched all the YouTube videos, unboxing videos and the review videos. After giving the review, you will get, let me show, see friends, let me show. This is a YouTube video, one of the popular YouTuber, which he will unboxing and do review. See, after review, he says that you can purchase OnePlus 8 mobile, which shows in description. See, once you open the description, he will say that OnePlus 8 is sold in India via link. This link is called as Amazon affiliate link. This link is called as Amazon affiliate link. He also included, even though it is only OnePlus 8, he also included OnePlus 70. Just because it maybe he may include that OnePlus 70 is doing good rather than OnePlus 8 in the review. So that is the reason he also included OnePlus 70. Chances of buying OnePlus 70 is high at that time. See, this is called as review. And coming to the social networks. Social networks is nothing but like doing the affiliate marketing in Facebook groups and Twitter, Instagram, and whatever, like WhatsApp. These affiliate marketing which comes under the social network. I mean social network affiliate marketing. So friends, these are the types of affiliate marketing. If you have any doubts, please be in the conversation up to this slide. If you have any doubts, or else we can. Okay. Is there a way to differentiate between the mail? I got a question from Kusalendra Isamutula sir. Is there a way to differentiate between mail received from a genuine affiliate or the fraudulent? See, there is no difference between the genuine affiliate. Yeah, okay. There are so many phishing sites also you can see over there. See, if the Flipkart is showing a banner like selling mobile at 1500, it is fake. It is really fake. Flipkart will never show if the product have huge discount. Only affiliate marketing will promote that. So of course there is a difference. You can see, like, let me show over there if it is possible. See, this is the genuine one, I can say, because there is a company, is affiliate site company. So we can get, it is a genuine link. And also the redirect, you need to check the redirect link to the Amazon. Is it going to the landing page or not? Let me show. See, this is the landing page actually. I mean, sorry. See, let me show in Flipkart. So landing page should be in Flipkart only. If you are going searching like the email marketing which you get the content. So sir, do you have to contact Amazon beforehand for getting paid before doing YouTube review for the product? No, no. See, no need to contact the Amazon. I will say about that. You know, we need to register our affiliate account. I will say all the process. For AdSense, we have some eligibility criteria like 3 months and 30 posts, etc. Is there any? Yeah, I will share. I will tell about all the, like, you know, what is the eligibility for the Amazon associate while creating on all the information you will get to know by the end of this topic. So let's enter into the topic. We are running late. And also, next, how affiliate program works. See friends, how affiliate program works. We have did the task, right? See, it's very easy. Once you have did a task, you will get to know how affiliate program works. Let me show. You show an advertisement or link on AXYZ store on your website, blog, or social network. Once the customer clicks the advertisement, it will automatically redirect to the tracking link, you know, which have done the Coupons Guru, some Coupons Guru to Amazon website landing page. So once I have purchased through his link, the transaction details was recorded in the affiliate network of, the affiliate network of Coupons Guru dashboard, Amazon dashboard. And once it is valid, it takes minimum 1 month to get a transaction was created to the Coupons Guru. After 1 month, he will get the commission. So this is the process. Let me show you practically. See, this is my website, and customer was visiting my website and sees that N95 mask at 39 rupees. N95 mask at 39 rupees. Sorry, 39 rupees. So if he feels good, like, you know, market rate is totally, you know, I think so. Market it is very expensive when we compare to Amazon. So once he feels it is good, right, and it is worthy, he will click the buy this item. It will redirect to the Amazon landing page. So once the customer was successfully done the transaction, it will record it in my website, in my associate dashboard. It will be recorded in my Amazon dashboard. This is like, you know, how I get the commission, like showing the links when the customer did the transaction. So see friends, this is how affiliate program works. I will show my affiliate dashboard also at the end of the at the end of the slide, all the slides, how it actually works, what is the commission rate, and, you know, how much traffic I will generate daily. And next, what are the advantages? See friends, what are the advantages if we do affiliate marketing? What are the advantages? First one is income oriented. See friends, like, you know, we can, I've already said that we can also, we don't need any money in rupees, but also we can earn in dollars. All other currencies, because it all depends on how you do marketing, how you do promoting, not only in India, but also on other countries. There is no limited. And also I can say, it is not only to the digital marketing person, but also I can say, if you are a traveler, or if you are a rider, you can also do affiliate marketing. Let me say the example, like one person from Telangana, he is a traveler. He travels from Telangana to Leh Ladakh, and he can put that, he's saying that, like, you know, what he uses, I mean, what the tripod he used, and what the camera he used, and, you know, what the bag he used, what the power bank he used. He says that all the products which I am using, you can see under the description. See, YouTube is doing very good, friends. YouTube is doing very good in the digital marketing. Like, you know, you get the reviews, and we can't believe the views if the content is very good. So we can do affiliate marketing, even you know, not in digital marketing, even the rider. If you are cooking, if you do cooking, we can also say what pan you use, what oil, like, you know, you can suggest in the comment, I mean in the description. This is called the income oriented, not for all the people we can earn unlimited of money. Unlimited of money. No, and also I can say it is we can earn not only in the monetary terms and in non-monetary terms also. I've already showed the JBL headphone which I got from Intenshala website. Intenshala website. It's non-monetary. It's non-monetary. I can get the cashbacks. I can get some goodies which I got some more goodies from some different websites for promoting some for they give just like getting a good traffic for them. And this is called income oriented. And coming to network and identity, see friends, like have the 70K subscribers day by day it was increasing. It all depends on the content which I'm giving. And let me share one incident which has happened earlier. There is every year there is a sale running on AirAsia. Every year there is a sale, like in the month of March. Even though I will not get the affiliate commission from the AirAsia, I will promote AirAsia website at that time, because you will not believe the ticket cost is unbelievable. Like let me say, ticket cost from Hyderabad to Malaysia, it's only around 2,500 to 4,000. Not 4,000, 2,500 to 3,000 friends. It is, you will not believe. Let me show my ticket actually. See friends, this is my ticket from Visakhapatnam to Kuala Lumpur, AirAsia, which is sale was going on in the month of February and March. See, for 3 people, it's around 10,887, which also includes extra luggage. As we are going to international, so we are planning to hire a new other luggage. So around it cost only like 2,800 per person. It's very good deal, right, friend? For Kuala Lumpur to Hyderabad also it's same rate, like only like 300 to 400 rupees maybe, and also dates may be vary. So that is the reason. But here I will not get the commission, even though I will promote the AirAsia, just because I need the satisfaction from the customers. See, if they save, I can end the network. That is enough for me. If I end the network, if I get the network, that is enough for me, because I can end like not at this time. I can end some next year also. But network is very important for me. See, I can say network is value for my earnings. The network, how much I get is equals to earnings. It is called network and identity. Unlimited business scope. See friends, I already told, it's not only in Amazon.in, you can also do affiliate networking for all the websites. Some some websites like AirAsia is not giving the affiliate, but also you can know Malaysian Airlines for giving the affiliate commission. Not only airlines, you can also get the affiliate commission. You can also do affiliate on Freecharge websites, Coupons, all other sites. So it has an unlimited business scope. Like not only Amazon affiliate, Shopclues, Myntra, Banggood, all other international websites also. It's called unlimited business scope. And technical expertise. Coming to technical expertise, especially in affiliate marketing, we'll get to know the knowledge on all the products. What is the rate? What the rate we can keep for that product actually, so that we can suggest, right? See, if I suggest this mobile for all other people, I know I can get to know that this price right now, the list value is 28,000 to 30,000. See, I can get technical expertise on all the products, and and not only the products, there is a sale running, like every year there are 4 sales on which going on for Amazon and Flipkart. As you all people know, among the 4 sales, one of the biggest sale is Great Indian Sale in the month of September. This September, there is a sale called Great Indian Sale. You will not believe the traffic when you get which we get. So there is a if there is a sale after 2 months or Great Indian Sale in the month of September, I will get ready with the content from August only. But by setting all the strategies and all the content, I will build the network in the by August, so that all people get to know my about about my website. I mean about my Eli deals, about my some other social networks. So that is the reason I will read all the content. I will read all the products which are doing good in the market. See, and let me show one thing. See, yesterday I got mail from Flipkart affiliate team. Let me, is it visible, right? I think it is visible. Sorry, this is not right. I think it is visible. See, yesterday I got a mail from Flipkart affiliate team. They are saying that we have recently launched a shoes at affordable price at $7.99. Please promote this one. Like they also sent the banners, I mean display ads, which can be included, or else pictures of that. And also they are saying that Apple Days start from 24 to 28. Offers greatly offer on iPhone XR for and first time price drop on iPhone SE. And the commission on iPhone SE is 1,000 rupees per unit, friends. 1,000 units, 1,000 rupees. See, this is which I get from affiliate for all the Flipkart. I mean, from all the affiliate websites, I will get I will get this type of mail once you have registered. We'll get to know before it will be revealed. So these are the advantages when we actually we do affiliate marketing. So let's and I think so many people are waiting for this slide, like how to create Amazon associate account. How can we earn the money? What is the process? What we require? See, friends, only we require is Facebook group, or else a blog, or else if you are an influencer person, if you have a follower, you can do this. We require, and it is free to create Amazon associate account. Of course, all the associate accounts we can create for free. Flipkart affiliate also, but majorly I am focusing on Amazon associate account. So that is the reason I will show the process how to create an Amazon associate account. So let's enter the practical session. First, you need to open Amazon. Please note it down. Amazon Associate. You need to search as Amazon Associate. You will get the link over here stating that Amazon.in Associate Central. So this is the Amazon Associate page. We need to sign up over here. See, friends, you can also sign in with existing Amazon account for this one. You can also sign in with existing Amazon account. Already have have entered the address in Amazon.in website, shopping website. So it was showing that the payment would be delivered to this one. So this is my address. So I am selecting this one. And who is the main contact for this account? See, this is my address. So I am stating that the payee listed above. For US tax purposes, are you a US person? No. See, friends, I already told you need to have a blog, a Facebook group, or you need to have something, mobile application. So let me include my website over here. Add. Click on next. What is your preferred associate store ID? It's custom link, friends. It's custom tracking link. Which I can say it is a unique link. I can share that, what are your website and mobile apps about? About coupons and discounts. See friends, it depends on your marketing objective. See, my website is totally about the coupons and the discounts, and I can also write the content of which mobile you can take or like this stuff. So that so I will mostly find my content is on about coupons and discounts for electronics. And which of the following topics best describes your website app, mobile apps? Obviously, computer and software technology, and of course, apparel, grocery also. And what type of Amazon items do you intend to list? It depends on your marketing objective, friends. Let me what are the types of websites and mobile applications, content websites, and coupon deals and websites? How do you drive the traffic to your website, which is very important. See, these are the traffic we can also do. Paid search, email, shopping portal, offline, display advertising, social networks, formable. Mostly I will use the social networks, display advertising, and blogs. How do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? Amazon Associate only I use for this one. How do you actually build a link? Okay. How many total unique visitors do your website and apps per month? See, if you're starting, if you're doing this, if you're starting, you need to check this one only 500 to 5,000. Minimum 500. If you are creating a Facebook group, minimum 500 people are necessary to create Amazon Associate, to get a valid, to get verified. 500 people. And what is your primary reason for joining Amazon Associate? It's a part-time. Oh, how did you deal? It's your side, blog side. It's very easy, friends. See, congrats, Sachikam. Thanks for applying associate programs. See, once we have created the account, you need to grant full access for associate central quota for 24 days. You know, if you are creating a Facebook group, it should be in public. It should be in public. They will monetize all your websites or else your group which you have kept right now. If your affiliate links have not referred minimum qualified leads after 180 days, your application and access of the program will be withdrawn. See, friends, once you have created the account, you need to do promote at least for your friends or else your family members, and if you are help them to buy a product, suggest a good product so that they can buy. At least 3 qualified leads you need to generate, and also 10 good posts should be written in the blog. 10 good posts. Enter your payment information. So later, let me skip this one. Later. See, friends, this is called the dashboard. Dashboard of Amazon Associate Affiliate Networking. All we can do is tracking with this one. Product links reports, earnings report, like this stuff. See, let me share my dashboard for all the tracking, all the activity. Let me share that one. Next. See, friends, there is a difference. There is a affiliate programs and the campaigns which you are giving. Already told that Myntra, these are the websites which they are giving the commission for us. Not only these websites, they have so many websites, but I just showing some of the websites. Not only e-commerce, I just want to show not only e-commerce, Malaysian Airlines, Maxos, Licious, and Textbook. These are all the websites which are giving the which are running the campaigns. There are so many other also. Examples of affiliate networks. See, friends, there is a difference between affiliate sites and affiliate networks. Affiliate sites and affiliate networks. Affiliate site is nothing but which we are doing, the website, Coupon Dunya. It is called affiliate site. This is called Amazon affiliate network. Examples of affiliate networks is QLink and vCommission. These are the 2 affiliate networks where we can register in. So see, friends, by seeing this all the affiliate campaigns, you have you can ask me a doubt. Is it necessary to create associate account for all the campaigns. See, it takes very lot of time, right? So it's very easy. You can create the associate account especially for Amazon. I will suggest Amazon and only on Flipkart. And if you are focusing on any other website, it is only necessary. For all the websites, we can use this affiliate networks, which gives the commission for us. For all the websites, for all the e-commerce, I mean all the websites. See friends, this website is called the Q-Link, where once you register, it only takes a 1 week or 1 week at least maximum. Once you get validated, you will start earning. Not only I was told that Amazon and Flipkart, you can earn unlimited of income by promoting all the websites. Not only in India, you can use some international websites also by using these affiliate networks. And I'm also about to say that it is not only for publishers, advertisers, but also for the publishers and agencies and networks also. Let me say, I have a product. I have developed one company. I have developed one company on e-commerce website. So I just planning to give the affiliate commission to whomever going to promote my products or promote my traffic, something else like that. So this is the affiliate network we commission and the Q-Link, which helps us to generate a traffic. This is the process of examples of affiliate networks, which will be helpful. Please note it down. Maybe it will be useful if you are planning to do affiliate marketing. Sorry. Okay, friends. And let's discuss. I think you people want to know what is the fees which we get when we do the promotion. See friends, there will be certain categories. For every product, we will not get the same commission. See, let me show you. Let me show this fixed advertising rate for specific product categories. Apparel and accessories like clothing, luggage bags, watches, shoes. For this, we get the commission of 9,000. 9%. Sorry, 9%. See, let us take example like I am buying a shoes of the customer buying a shoes of 10,000 rupees. So obviously, I get a commission 90 rupees. 90 rupees fixed one. Unlimited I can earn. No, there is no maximum. You can get this much of amount by in this affiliate showing the slide. Toys, kitchenware product, office and stationery, we get the 8%. So according to this, we need to promote our products. Not only for this, we can get only 1% fixed advertising fee. Like showing that OnePlus 8 Pro mobile, 70 Pro, McLaren and 7 Pro. For these mobiles, Samsung and Oppo, these mobiles would get only 1%. Other than these mobiles and this one, and see over here, Redmi Note 8 Pro, excellent products. We will not get the commission for this. We will not get the commission for this. Xiaomi, Samsung, we will not get the commission for this. Even though we not get the commission, I will promote the products because I feel Redmi 8 doing a good job when we compare with other products in less than 10,000. Less than 10,000, Redmi 8 is doing good when compared to other mobiles. So that is the reason I will promote the Redmi 8 even though I'm not getting a commission. Because all we need is satisfaction of the customer. See, rather than Redmi mobiles and OnePlus and Samsung, Oppo, all other mobiles which we get is 2.5%. 2.5% we'll get. See friends, this is the process of advertising fee schedule for the products on e-commerce. Let me show another. It's the bug bounty event. See friends, I've already told in Amazon there is a paper sale and the paper lead. See, when we are successfully by the customer from Prime paid membership, I get 100 rupees. You can see last one, bus bounty fee, 100 rupees. If he successfully subscribed for Prime pay membership, even for 3 months, there is actually, I think so, there is no free trial right now running on Amazon for the Prime pay membership. So if he paid for 3 months at least, I get the bounty fees of 100 rupees. And Amazon business, when I joined a person, a seller, I will get a bounty fee of 200 rupees when he successfully registers for Amazon business account. And coming to Audible free trial and Audible pay membership, once he registered as a free trial also, even though I get the 150 rupees. So this is all about, paper lead, I can say. Paper lead. Once he successfully registered, when we successfully registered the customer into our registration teams like this, paid memberships like this stuff. So this is all about Amazon program fee schedule in the bounty fee and also in products. There will be differentiate for every category. And also friends, these two slides, the last two slides on fixed advertising fees and excluded products, it will be changes. Sometimes you may get for OnePlus 8, sometimes you may get even to 2.5% also. Sometimes you get the fees for all iPhones also. See, here we can see Amazon is not giving the commission for iPhones. Not giving commission for iPhones. But coming to Flipkart, he is giving 1,000 rupees fixed. 1,000 rupees fixed for us as promoting. So this is all about commission differentiated. Let's move to our next slide. How I grew. See, I have started creating an account in Amazon Associate in the year of 2016, where my first payment is 135 rupees. You will not believe, my first payment is 135 rupees. I was slowly started, even though I getting a less payment, I have slowly started with growing the network. In the year of 2017, I have shared in the in my affiliate journey. As I have slowly started, the growing the network. Slowly my earnings also increasing day by day. Friends, you will not believe. Today I getting the amount of 30,000 per 1 month. See friends, I am just sharing this earnings only affiliate marketing of Amazon, only on Amazon. This earnings only from get is only on Amazon. And you will not believe, I have already told that after 2 months there is a Great Indian Sale is going on Amazon. See, it will changes into 2 times or 3 times. My earnings will changes into 2 or 3. You will not believe, friends, the traffic which you get on Great Indian Sale is unbelievable. Unbelievable. At that time, so I will start preparing from the from August only, like from all the categories of products, mobiles, electronics, ACs, all the products, all the electronic items. This is how I grew. I already told, my income grows as my network was increases. Simply I can say my network, how much I have my network equals to my earnings. Let me show my Amazon dashboard. Amazon Associate dashboard, so that you will get to know how affiliate program will work. See friends, this is my Amazon Associate account, my Amazon dashboard. See, this is my income of this month from July 1st to July 25th. July 1st to 25th. See, these are the clicks. 58,993 clicks members were visited. All the ordered items, 2,279. Shipped items, 2,059. The product was shipped. See friends, I have already told that 1 month should be validated. Once the customer was purchased the product, it gets 1 month to get transaction for me. Because sometimes the customer may do return. So that is the reason it takes at least 1 month to generate an invoice. See, return items is 114 and the conversion rate link is 3.86%. The shipped items revenue, the revenue which I have given for the Amazon is 10,10,648 rupees till now. And total earnings of this month only on Amazon 29,000. See friends, let me share let me share the the date of 20. What are the orders actually? Let me share the earnings. It will be very very interesting. See friends, daily I am getting at least 1,000, minimum 1,000 rupees by generating the revenue. See friends, these all the products which I got in money on in the 11th of this month, 11th date. OnePlus Nord. Let me just show you OnePlus Nord. The price of that is 88 rupees, and the Amazon is giving 4% for me. See friends, this is not a mobile. This is the invite link which has been passed few days. Invite link. See, it was giving a 4% for me. How many items are shipped? 36 items. So 36 into 88 equals to 4% the revenue. That 3,000 revenue which I generated, I got the advertising fees of 127 rupees. 127 rupees which I got. See friends, this is all the orders. I mean all the endings and orders and endings which I got. Okay, and this is the statistics from July 1st to July 25th till date. This is called the earnings and this is called the clicks which I got on the particular date, and these are called the ordered items. So this is all about getting deeper into the Amazon Associate dashboard, which works backend. Okay, thank you, friends. Thanks for giving opportunity, Srinidhi Institute of Management, School of Management Studies. Thanks for giving the opportunity. I hope you people are getting, enlightened with this all the topic of affiliate marketing. See, friends, I am just telling that affiliate marketing. Just start the affiliate marketing. If you are planning to start affiliate marketing, just start from today itself, because there is no time. If you start right now, you will get to know what is going on. So that the reason in the month of August, you will get a good content to write, you get a good network. So once you started the good content, you see friends, if you promote the, if you promote your networks on the social media, the traffic which you get is unbelievable. If your content is very good, you will get unbelievable traffic and you will get unbelievable commission. See friends, I am also doing the full-time job, and also I'm doing the part-time job, spending only for 30 minutes right now, because I have got the network. And also, of course, I'm planning, weekend days I have used to promote my website and my social networks whenever it is possible. But daily I'm spending only 30 minutes to promote all the products. I'm getting the commission of 1,000 rupees. In the normal days, the only 1,000 rupees I'm getting for only on Amazon. See friends, this is all about the affiliate marketing, how you get in the commission. And see friends, you can also contact me on Facebook. You can also follow me on Facebook. You can contact me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, and you can also contact me on WhatsApp anytime. If you are if you feel any difficulties on the creating an Amazon Associate account, or else after creating an Amazon Associate account, if you need any content also in the e-commerce websites, specifically in e-commerce websites, I will give a good content, have all the statistics, how the customers know what is the market actually, what customers would prefer when buying a specific product. And friends, you can also, not only for this, you can also contact for me, if you are planning to buy any mobile, or if you are planning to buying any washing machine, some other products, you can take a suggestion from me. I'm happy to help anytime. You can contact me on WhatsApp also. Like this is my personal number. You can contact me anytime. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chetan, for such a wonderful session. You have provided a practical exposure to all the participants. They are so happy. The overwhelming response is seen even in the chat box. I request the participants to share your questions or queries using chat box. The speaker would be very happy to address.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, please note it down. I think I got the response for like message like I'm unable to see the your contact number. Please note it down or else.
Sir, I have shared it in the chat box.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
I've given the contact details in the chat box. There is a question, sir.
Yes.
Is it mandatory to have Facebook account for using affiliate marketing?
See, it depends on your marketing objective. See, if you are a YouTuber, if you are if you're doing the videos on YouTube, you need to have a YouTube account, or else have chosen all the best. I have chosen the blog, I have chosen some different social networks to do affiliate marketing. So if I suggest you to create a Facebook account, like Facebook group. It is very easy to activate very early. Getting a traffic for a website, it takes some time, but getting a group of people, it's very easy. When compared to the getting a traffic to the website, it takes some time. So that is the reason I'm saying that create a group on Facebook and use that Facebook group and blog also. Of course, blog is very much necessary to get a verified for the Amazon account. So that is the reason I have told.
For a YouTuber, how many subscribers are required for affiliate marketing?
Yeah, for an YouTuber, not as subscribers, like it's checkout. It will check out the traffic which you get. I know, you can see my dashboard, Amazon dashboard, how many clicks I am getting per month. I'm able to generate. It all depends on the clicks and not about the subscribers. It all depends on clicks and successful leads. I mean, successful the person who purchased the product from your link. That is all about.
Okay. Which is better, Blogger or we need to buy domain from GoDaddy?
Of course, we need to buy a domain from a GoDaddy, as your wish. Domain is necessary actually. I will suggest a domain. Buy from GoDaddy. It gives some good rates when compared with other one. And also, if you are planning, if you're planning a good domain, I suggest you to buy a domain in the month of December. In the month of December, you will get a very less, for $1, you will get a domain, .com domain in all the websites. Like the Christmas sale was going on, so that is the reason you get plenty of discounts in the hosting and the domain websites.
Any more questions from the participants? Please make use of the chat box.
And also one thing I need to share, if you're planning, you can, I'm planning to create a group for all the people. If you're interested, I'm planning a group, WhatsApp broadcast group, so that, if you need, I will add to the group so that you can get all the deal alerts. I mean, all the deals for the offers, coupon codes in that group. If you're very interested, I mean, if you're needed any suggestions, if you're planning to say, well, like on the, if you are shopping on the e-commerce website, so it's very easy, useful for you people also. If you need, I will create some separate broadcast for you people, and I will join all of you people, like if you are by your permission.
All the interested people who wanted to join the WhatsApp group may please use the contact of Chetan sir, and please give a message personally, because in the chat box things get lost quickly.
Yes, actually, please ping me in the WhatsApp. So it is useful so it is very useful for me to create an account for all of the people. For only there is a limited access also. I mean, only limited people for the.
Thank you so much. Now I request Dr. A. Sandhya Rani, Head of the Department, School of Management Studies, Trinity Institute of Science and Technology, to address the participants.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope this entire week has been very informative for all of us. And thank you, Chetan, here, and congratulate you
Thank you,
for
ma'am.
giving us a lot of information on this.
Thank you, ma'am.
And School of Management Studies is organized this faculty development program. We planned for a week, and we were able to get the resource persons very quickly. We are very lucky that they have accepted our invitation, and both of them being our alumni, and one of the resource person from the industry who have accepted her request and ensured that lot of information would be flown in throughout the entire program. I could see that all the participants were very much interactive in their questioning part, where lot of exposure is given. Even I have learned many things. And Chetan, I request you to add my number also, because I am also interested in this.
Yeah, sure.
Your WhatsApp number. And I congratulate all the participants who have shown a lot of interest in attending all the sessions. We would look forward from your end to join us for the other faculty development program and student development program, which we are going to arrange for the next few weeks. So thank you one and all for making us feel proud and also more providing us more motivation to arrange many more sessions like this. So thank you participants once again, and I thank all the speakers here for kindly accepting our request and providing us a lot of exposure related to the digital marketing. And from the industry perspective, yesterday we had a session from Vemula sir, who have agreed. He clearly mentioned that I may not be an academician, but I would like to provide my exposure towards what I reflect for digital marketing is. And both alumni, I'm very proud of you. You have enlightened the participants and given them a lot of direction and guidance to start up their own business. So thank you once again, all of you. And I ensure that we interact in the coming FDPs also. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you, Madam. I now request Dr. M.V.S. Sudhakar, Associate Head, School of Management Studies, Trinity Institute of Science and Technology, to propose vote of thanks to Sai Chetan sir.
Good afternoon, one and all. Good afternoon, one and all. I take a privilege to announce vote of thanks of today's session. Today's speaker, Sir Chetan, is one of our students. I feel very proud that he has reached great heights. And he has made us enlighten about what is affiliated marketing and the various types of affiliated marketing. And he made us to know about email marketing, display ads, SEO, incentive programs, blogs, and he has detailedly explained about how affiliate program works. And he has made us know about advantages of affiliated marketing and creation of Amazon account. This is one good thing, new thing I have also learned. And he has explained step-by-step process. This is this is very interesting. In fact, he also had made us know about associate program fee schedule. So this is really very important to all the students as well as the faculty, and who are look into these digital marketing, whomever take this digital marketing as a career. I once again thank Mr. Chetan for enlightening us on this affiliated marketing. Thank you so much. Over to Soumya, madam.
Soumya, I would like to just convey two things here. Dear participants, here I would like to introduce my coordinators who have been very much with us for all these 7 days, working on from the brochure to the end feedback sessions. As you have seen, we have Mrs. Soumya, who is also our alumni from the next batch of Dr. Basha. So Mrs. Soumya is one of the coordinators who have taken care about the sessions. As it is well versed here, you could see her regularly. Then we had Dr. Vishwanath. I hope sir is available. Video is on or not. I've asked them to switch on their videos. But I thank Dr. Vishwanath sir for all the technical support, because here I could say my staff, my team, I should say my team is very strong with both technical and handling sessions. So Dr. Vishwanath and Dr. Harinath sir, he was the main person to prepare the brochure and pass on the messages to the resource persons, and communicating part is done from Mrs. Soumya. And Dr. Sudhakar sir, he is our associate head who's been monitoring all these sessions, who have been working on whether the sessions are properly arranged or not, concerned about all the programs which are arranged. So I thank Dr. Sudhakar sir, Mrs. Soumya, Dr. Vishwanath sir, and Dr. Harinath for giving their support to the entire program. Thank you, all the coordinators. Once again, I appreciate your work and look forward for some more. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for keeping trust on us. Yes, participants and all my dear speakers for the day. Be it a celebration, be it a war, whatever it is, what connects all of us is being Indian. Tomorrow is 26th July and it is celebrated as on the eve of Kargil Divas. So we have among the participants Srinivas sir. Sir wants to speak to audience and the participants regarding this. So I just request sir to please unmute himself and share his views on Kargil Divas with all the participants. Sir, please.
Thank you very much. I hope I am clearly audible. Tomorrow is the Kargil Divas Day. Kargil happened 20 years back in 99 in May, June, July. The situation is very similar now. The Chinese aggression, what's happening in Ladakh, is very, very similar. And what you have seen in the past few days, we have lost people. There was a Colonel Babu, who was the commanding officer of 16 Bihar battalion, and 20 soldiers have lost their lives. It is likely to worsen. So this is the time to remember the sacrifices made by all and make sure that all of us support whatever little effort required to all the activities in keeping our nation safe and its sovereignty safe. That's about it. I hope all the participants can also pass the message across to their respective contacts, institutions, and the people they know. I thank SNSIST for providing me this opportunity and all the faculty for conducting an excellent program. I have benefited personally. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. The session is now open for the participants. Whoever wants to speak can please unmute yourself and share your feedback. We'll be very delighted to listen from you.
Hey, hi. Can we say something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Please.
So thanks. First of all, I thank particularly for you, madam, actually for organizing this program very well. In fact, we used to see you every day coming and greeting everyone. And in fact, you know, the way step by step it's organized. So thank you so much for all providing this opportunity to attend.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hello. Good afternoon. I'm Balasri Prasad, research scholar in Mahatma Gandhi University. This program I started 1 week back, and I'm unable to think that this session has come. This session has been completed. I'm surprised actually. So very intuitive.
Sir, we are not able to listen you.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So parallelly, I'm learning this course on Swayam, madam. Swayam moves.
Okay.
So this was very useful for me, and thank SNIST organizers for organizing these sessions. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That means a lot. Any more participants who want to share your feedback? We are looking forward for suggestions also from you. Ma'am, we shall end the session now. Okay, I, on behalf of School of Management Studies, Trinity Institute of Science and Technology, I thank all the participants for being there with us for all the 6 days. You will be receiving your certificate soon. We will be sharing the feedback link in the WhatsApp group as a regular practice, but today definitely we'll do it at the earliest. And you will definitely receive your certificates. For any queries, you may contact us at any point of time. We're looking forward for your association in our further upcoming events as well. So have a happy weekend. Stay safe. Stay at home. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, everyone.